Welcome to 1086 Post number 315. This is a Lower Nob Hill studio available for lease. It's a one-room studio that just got all new bamboo wood flooring throughout. And you're looking at the main room. It's sort of on the side of the building. It has a northern outlook, some great afternoon light, and it's on a pretty quiet section of the streets. You can see the room is fairly spacious and has some details, including the moldings, high ceilings. You have blinds on your windows, steam heat, electric, gas, hot water, all included in the price of the rent. Off the main room is a small kitchen. It's a nice sized sink, some drawers, cabinets, a small fridge, and a small gas stove. There's a window in the kitchen. There's a little alcove in the unit that used to have a pull-down bed, but now makes a nice location for a television or whatever you want to do. There's a large walk-in closet that you can go through to this room. It opens up to the bath, which has a original clawfoot tub, subway tile floor, a little vanity area, and another door that takes you back to the hallway. It's your front door, and then you have another thin closet or some additional storage. So two ways to get to the bath, from the little hallway or from the living room. You can block that door if it works with your furnishings. If you'd like to rent, 1086 Post number 315, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311.